Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about lesson number 5, that is logo commands. What do you mean by logo commands? You know, different commands are there. Similarly, another command that we are going to discuss, that is logo commands. Let's see. Logo is a simple computer language for kids. We can draw pictures, type text and do calculation in it. Okay, so using this command we can go for different or you can draw different pictures, calculations. Okay, you can type different text also. To perform any action, logo uses a single triangle shape turtle that moves on the computer screen. It is one kind of triangle shape that you can say it is turtle. It is just like your pen. Okay, जैसे तुम्हारा पेन है वैसे ही you can say that it is just like your pen. We use commands to move a turtle around the screen and to draw different pictures. The turtle मतलब the triangle shape है ना, according to your command the turtle is going to move on your screen according to your requirement also, you can say, by using some commands. Next, how to start logo. Okay, click the start button. Computer, you have seen the start button, then go to all programs, then Microsoft Windows logo. You have to install this application. Okay, install this application, then Microsoft Windows logo option will come, then Microsoft Windows logo option is there. Okay, in this way you can open your MS logo, that is Microsoft logo, you can say. Coming to the main screen, what do you mean by main screen? It is, that is commander window. The commander window is further divided into the recall list box and the command input box. Okay, you see extreme right hand side one figure is there, triangle shape is there or not, that you can say it is your turtle. Next, recalling elements logo commands. You have already learnt a few primitives in the previous class. Let us review them. Okay, some commands are there. Commands are, that is FD, nothing but full form forward, BK, that is backward, LT means left. Okay, so FD primitives moves the turtle forward by a given number of steps. So let us go for one example. FD 40 means what? Your turtle will move from 40 steps in forward direction. BK primitives moves the turtle backward by a given number of steps. Okay, so similarly LT nothing but your left movement. RT nothing but your right movements. Right primitives turn the head of the turtle towards the right side, मतलब right side direction में move करेगा. Home, the home command brings the turtle to the center of the screen. मतलब if you are using the home command, the turtle is going to or move to center position. Then HT, nothing but hide turtle. The triangle shape you are seeing now, that will be hide, that will be invisible, you can say. Show turtle, ST, that is show turtle. ST primitives orders the turtle to reappear on the screen. If you are using, the turtle will be reappear on the screen. CS, that is clear screen. Whatever figures, diagrams are there in your screen, that is going to be erased by using the CS command. And CT means clear text. Whatever texts are there in your screen, that is going to erase. Pen up and pen down, that is PU and PD, that you can better understand in the coming lectures. Okay, let us move to the print command. According to the different command, what type of outputs you will get, you see. Print is a very important primitive to display a letter, a number, a word or a sentence on the screen. whatever you are going to type, first of all you have to use the command that is print. Okay, you can type letter, numbers, alphabets, anything you can write it. Let's see. And print stands for, you can write print as well as PR. PR is also nothing but print. To display any number, type text in the input box, press the space bar key once and type the number. Suppose तुम्हें कोई number को type करना है, so what you have to do, first you write down the in the commander window print, then space that number whatever you want to type it, that you write down, automatically press enter, then you will get same number in the output. You see, I have written here print space 1298. Once I press enter, what I get? 1298. Similarly, print space 34. Press enter, automatically you will get 34. Okay, so this is the use of print command I said. Next, printing a letter. Printing a letter is also similar operation. Print, then space, single double quote, A or B or K, any alphabet if you want to type it, then go for enter, automatically same alphabet is going to print. You see, next, print KIPS. If you will press enter, automatically KIPS is coming on the screen, output that is. Then printing the sentence also you can easily get it. Okay, so whenever you are writing the sentence or whenever you are going for print any sentence, it is not like that only you have to write down the print. You can write PR is nothing but print command. Okay, so you see, I love my school, automatically it is written I love my school. Okay, then print first. What is the use of print first command? Print first command is nothing but is used to display the first character of a word or first word of a sentence given in the square brackets. So you have to write down whatever sentence or word in a square bracket, and if you are using the print first command, whatever the first word, yeah, first letter, that will be shown in the output. Okay, you see, I've written here print first space square bracket, inside God is great. So in this sentence, God is the first word. Okay, so God will be typed or God will be showing in the output. Next example, print first Ridhima. One word is there. Okay, one student's name it is. So Ridhima, in this word, what is the first? That is first letter. You will get R is the first output, that is using the first print first command. Okay, in this way you can use it and you can understand better. Next, calculation in logo. What kind of calculations you will get it using logo command? Rules to follow: after typing the print command, leave one space and then type the numbers with the desired operators. All the arithmetic operators takes to place. Okay, you see, first command print 6 plus 9, print के बाद space देना, 6 plus 9, automatically you will get, press enter, you will get 15. Print 20 minus 8, you will 12. So like that. Another example, print 10 multiplied by 3, automatically 30 we will get. Print 34 divided by 2, 17. So print, after that space, then 34 divided by 2, you will get 17, you will get in the output. Print command with mathematical functions. Mathematical functions also, that is print sum. What is the sum? You see, this function is used to add two or more numbers and displays the result. Instead of giving the plus sign between the numbers, type print sum followed by the two numbers. Okay, very simple. let us go for one example. Suppose I want to find the summation of 10, 20, 30. So what you have to do, print, then open bracket, use the command that is sum 10 space 20 space 30. So if you press enter, automatically you will get your result, that is 30. Okay, so I hope you understood how to use the print sum command. Difference, so difference is also same. In place of use the sum command, you can go for the difference, that is you can find the difference between two numbers from higher number to lower number. Okay, the similarly product is also, you have to use the star mark instead of product, you have to, or multiply symbol, you have to use the star mark, and you can easily find the product between the 2-3 numbers automatically. Okay, quotient, the function accepts two values as input. It divides the first input number by second input number and gives the quotient. Remainder or quotient, sum everything, it gives the output. Remainder, whenever we are dividing some number, we are getting some remainder also. Okay, print quotient 40 space 2. 40 divided by 2, if you are doing that, the division, what you are getting an answer, that is 20. Okay, so quotient कितना है, then 20 है, remainder कितना है, 11 and space 2, 1. Okay, because 2 5s are 10, what is the remainder, 1 is coming. Print with logical operator, what are the operators are there, that is you can say equals, less than, greater than, less than equals, greater than equals, they are called as the logical operator. Now you see equals command, what is the use of equal, print 12 equals 12. What does it mean, both the 12 and 12 both are same, that's why you will get the output, that is true. Print 12 equals 14, obviously it is wrong, that is false. You see output you will get false. Greater than, suppose two numbers, if you want to find which one is greater, then you can see this command you can use it. Okay, less than also same, suppose print 15 greater than 12, it is correct na, that's why you will get option answer, that is true. 15 less than 12, you will get false. Okay, so similarly you use your laptop or computer and install the logo command software, and you just check what kind of commands and what is the output, so that you can understand better.